We see an update to InfiniteTalk, which is an app based on WAN2.1 that uses image and audio-driven lip syncing. We see two of the results.
The top notes of this perfume are a perfect blend of fresh Italian citrus and grass violet leaves.
A single branch heavy with rich fragrance, dew clings to its bloom. In the misty rain of Wushan, love is broken and sorrow lingers.
Compared to multi-talk, InfiniteTalk can perform tasks that are very similar. For example, lip syncing alone or lip syncing with multiple people. It can be integrated into our WAN2.1 BSES process without any issues. The difference lies in InfiniteTalk. It can take very long audio and render nearly endless video results. In other words, there is no time limit on lip syncing with this feature. Then let's take a look at the workflow. I'm using the largest computer eye online platform, RunningHub. To start with the most basic process, as we just mentioned, InfiniteTalk and MultiTalk are very similar, and in fact, both use the MultiTalk node during the workflow. Large models, we use the acceleration model from Rocket 128. Our large model is a video painting tool. This process is still carried out on the basis of a fundamental paintbrush video workflow. Insert a MultiTalk node for the paint knife video in between. So this 81 frame sequence, which is our P4 frame rate, essentially connects P4 within the latent space without leaving the latent space. So there would be no issue of decay as in our previous infinite length videos. Besides the video, we need to load an audio track. After that, we can do trimming, and after trimming, we can perform voice separation. Both steps are optional. You can choose to skip trimming or voice separation. Then we send it through. This is the basic process for InfiniteTalk, which is almost exactly the same as MultiTalk. Go to RunningHub, click AI, or click the link in the introduction to register and get 12 gigabytes. Log in every day to receive an additional 100 points. The corresponding AI workflow and one-click AI applications have been deployed online and can now be run and tested online. Then we'll look at the following steps. So what I did here is actually copy the previous MultiTalk video and made some modifications. After switching to the accelerated model, the videos made with InfiniteTalk have much stronger dynamic effects. This is the previous contest combined with TTS, combined with MultiTalk or InfiniteTalk to create a practical example of generating a product promotion video. Now looking at it will be better to see how expressive his gestures are. The process is still the same, but with some pre-processing on the input image vector. The third step is to switch between the two-person InfiniteTalk model. Since InfiniteTalk has a multi-model, I believe this corresponds to group conversations. Here I'm doing the same as before with MultiTalk, putting in two masks to distinguish the order of appearance. Then we sent out two audio clips, audio 1 and audio 2, to determine which region the speaker was from. The results showed some compliance, but not complete compliance. For example, sometimes two characters speak at the same time. The fourth process is the VACE workflow. We can use a self-entertaining video to guide the video generation while lip syncing at the same time. Whether it's image to video or text to video generation, the VACE model can be used, and it's an extremely powerful model. The model is still at 20.1. This is the VACE model of 20,200. Okay, input the pose video, the reference image, and load the audio as before. Finally, we get a result where the video moves along with the pose while matching the mouth movements. Overall, it's quite good, especially when reviewing the results again. We noticed that updating the LiteX UV model has made a big difference in the dynamic quality of our videos. For example, this video's dynamics are sufficient, whereas the first generation version used in MotionTalk lacked much in terms of dynamics. Here, VSC can also be turned into a controller. I just need to make some adjustments and upload it again. What's worth mentioning about this place? We can synchronize two audio clips and create a conversational format. So we don't need to do the splicing in other software anymore. TS is supposed to have a plan for version 2.0. Let's keep an eye on it. So most of the time, this channel shares open source models and projects, but closed source models are where RunningHub really shines. He brought down the prices of many popular models, such as V6, Keling, and Wanshang. Some specifications were even lower than the official published prices. The more you use it, the more you'll realize that saving up bit by bit really saves money.